Medicine is storytelling. Medicine is sharing.
Investigative
Thoughtful.
stories. Medicine is humanities.
So I'm Ria. I'm a junior at Stanford and I'm studying bioengineering. I'm really interested in the brain and I'm also really passionate about health equity. I've been exploring those passions more recently through writing and everything like that. The symposium was such a supportive and reassuring experience. I think of the whole program. I think that was really just the highlight of the program for me because we've been connecting over Zoom for 10 weeks. That moment where I got to see everyone's projects was just so amazing and I learned so much. It really expanded my understanding of the ways that medicine and storytelling could intertwine.
My name is Catherine. I did the program between my freshman and sophomore years at Stanford. I learned from all the different speakers that medicine and healing and healthcare is a very, very sort of human process. Everyone has their unique story, their unique background. For my final project, I wrote two stories. The first one was a profile on the LGBTQ plus family clinic director here at Stanford, but because of the recent political administration cutting back on a lot of gender affirming care for pediatric patients, I was able to learn about their work and sort of how or why they decided to step back from Stanford because of all these cuts. It showed me that a profile or a spotlight on a community member could be more than just a story about that one person, that one individual, but represented the whole system at stake here.
Can you be a physician and a poet? Yes. In seeking out a career in medicine, having this outlet in writing or in art is really relieving. It literally reassured me that I wanted to go into medicine. I had such an amazing time.